Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the trunk lid actuators, or the gas shocks, whatever you want to call them yourself, on a 2007 Pontiac Vibe. I'm going to show you on the glass part of the hatch, and it's going to be the same for the one that lifts the whole trunk itself. So it's really simple. There's clips here and there's some right down there, and all you have to do is take your flathead screwdriver, and there's a little slot in there, and you just pop that clip out, and then you grab your needle nose, and then now that's all it is just this little clip here, and then you just lift on the lid, and just be careful because once you have that down, that's going to want to fall. And now, for the bottom part, it's the same process. I just gotta use my head to hold up the glass here. Same thing, this one doesn't actually have to come off all the way. So that's what it looks like right there. And then when you're ready to replace it, all you have to do is just this little part, put on the ball joint there, clip it back into place with your thumb, if that's why you leave it on like I did, and it's good to go. Then you're gonna come back around, and you go to the top ball joint there. Same thing. Just lift it until it sets in, and you can kind of let go a little bit there. And then if you look at it, they're kind of like a V shape of a slot. You're going to want to slide this pin into those slots. So you're going to put it into one side, and then flex it, and just like that. And I'll just show you really quickly. That's all there is to it. You don't have to take anything off of the glass or the bolts on there. You just do those clips, and then you're good. Nope, don't forget to take your tools out of there either. And then as for the one that holds up the whole trunk, it's the same thing. So right there, same thing, put your screwdriver in, take it out, it's the same kind of ball joint there. And then just down here on the frame of the car, it's the same thing. There's a little one right there, take it out, and again the same ball joint. And always be careful, because when there's only one acting on its own, it's going to come down on you. So you can get a piece of wood or hold it up, or a helper, or you can just hold it up with your own head. Isn't too bad. And that's all there is to it. Very nice and simple. Hopefully that was helpful, and please like and subscribe.